we're gonna build the Kelpie, but I'm not probably gonna show everything. I'm in a different spot, so I don't have everything set up. This is just an on the fly. Let's see here. We can do this for the camera, something like that, and we can capture a Kelpie and a Juggernaut all in there. So I have a picture for vape tube, right? Vape tube. Because I try to dual upload everything. That's just crazy. Um, Over there, sometimes it doesn't work. I don't know. XSplit doesn't always play nice. This is what we're gonna put in the Kelpie, and hopefully it'll play nice. It's a Juggernaut from today's vape mail. 0.45 ohms. It's all Canthal. Uh, 28 gauge. Uh, 28 gauge wrapped in two strands of 32. What? No, it's 28 gauge wrapped in 32 gauge twice, right? So dual coil there. And then that's all wrapped with 1.5 flat ribbon wire. I get it now. I kind of get how to read that. All right? I kind of get how to read that. So, the Kelpie. I don't even have all my tools out. Where's the Allen key, bro? I don't know. Will this one work? I got Allen keys laying everywhere. I don't know if that one works or not. This is the vanilla mint candy from Vape and Watch in here. And we're just gonna roll that out. That's a nice coil that I had in here. I do have the wicks a little bit longer than normal. They're all the way down the deck. I don't know why I did it, but it works. So, which screws do you unscrew? Does this fit? It does fit. I usually have a little orange one. I don't see it. It's probably at the very bottom of my box. That's why I don't see it. Ah! Uh-oh. Should I flip it around? Nope. So, what I'm doing right now is just loosening up the old screws. We'll see if we can get this coil out. It's been a very good coil. Thank you for your service. Something like that. You gonna clean that out? Hell no, I ain't cleaning that out. Putting the same juice in it. I don't know. I can't really show this. Look, it's Christmas time. It's Christmas time. I'm way over here. This isn't going to show very well at all. And these go the same direction. I don't want them to go the same direction. I want to go opposite directions. So we're going to add a half a wrap. 3mm. We're going to add a half a wrap. Ooh, very, very nice. Very nice. Very pliable. Nice to work with. So, we just try to get this fat ass in the Kelpie. That fits really well. Look at that. It's just sitting there. That's aesthetically pleasing. Like to at least center it. Oh, my finger's in the way. We'll just snug that one. And then I'm going to pull this one just a little bit. Which, yes, will make it crooked. I'm not too worried about it. This is going to take up every inch, every millimeter of the Kelpie. It is, and I can see it right now. Let me straighten it. I'll show you. Woo! That is not going to leave me a whole lot of airflow. That's for sure. Every time I twist it this way, it tightens it down farther on the mod. That is centered very nicely. So, that's how fast it is to do the Kelpie. Just set it in there, forget it. And it's just fat and chunky and in there. And yeah. Snip, snip, mother brother. Snip, snip, mother brother. Oh, let's see here. Get up on it. Snip. You got a place to put this? No, so we'll put it on the laptop for now. Like I said, not my usual position here, so. Just snip those off, and then I like to bend what's left of the leads up, because on the Kelpie, make sure my finger doesn't rub against those, good. On the Kelpie, because ooh, I'll put my elbow down, bro. Where the lead would come off over. Yeah, stop that. Where the lead would come off. You see that little lip for the threads right there? It's really hard to get your snips right up in there, so it always leaves just a little bit hanging, and just bend it up out of the way. No issues. Does this one read what it is right away? It's 0.44, 42 watts. That's 4.2 volts. Ooh, hot spots are livid. Up and down buttons on this one are inside. Rocking her down to 20 watts. I'm just going to pulse and strum. Ooh, that's a crackly beast. Oh, hot spots galore. Seems a lot more pliable now. It's going to take a bit of strumming with 2 Clapton cores wrapped in ribbon wire. Wrapped in ribbon wire. Yeah, you can sound like Bugs Bunny too. Wrapped in ribbon wire. Wow. It's more like Elmer Fudd, I guess. That's glowing pretty even. That's it's still red hot. That's a whopping 20 watts. Cool beans. We're gonna add a little bit of juice to it. Why? To cool it down. And it will help lubricate the cotton as it goes through. Don't be surprised if some sizzling happens. Sizzle. Ooh, that sounds quite angry. It does sound quite angry. Smell the minty vanilliness of that concoction right there. Some cotton already pulled out. I don't know. Wicking this, it looks like it has pretty jagged edges. I don't know. We'll see. We take our piece of cotton. We're going to cut the tip off. Do I want to peel a section of this off or not? Yeah, I will. I don't really want to. I'll pull one outer layer off. Come on, come on, come on. Just the outer layer, though. That's it. The rest of you are staying in there, including the tough top part. If I do this right, I leave the tough top part, whatever, the outer layer, the harder outer layer, up on the actual top. Why? Why not? Because I feel on a coil of this nature, ooh, don't mess up the coil, bro. On a coil of this nature, it would be more important to have the tough bit of cotton over the top and a nice soft fluffy bit down on the bottom where the airflow is coming. It's just how I'm looking at it right now. I'm going to cut these a little longer than I normally would, and then we'll see what it's like after I fluff it out. So that's a little longer than is needed on this. However, I haven't fluffed it out to see what I want to do. Yes, you can try Vic's method on the Kelpie. It does work to where you just cut it along with the deck and shove the top cap on. It does work. It does. I don't feel I have enough control over juice flow and all that if I do that. I've done it. It does work. I seem to get not a full-on dry hit out of doing it that way, but not a fully saturated vape as I like. So even if you pull out all the little tufts of your cotton and just slam cap it like Vic does, I think what happens when you do that is the cotton just jams together at the ends, so it doesn't fully wick up into the cotton. It still wicks, but not as fast as you would hope. Sorry. Feel free to comment on that, Vic. I know you're out there in TV land somewhere. Is that TV land? Something. Let's see where we're at with this. That's pretty good. That looks damn good. It's Vic's damn method, right? Damn good. This side's a little long. Side's a little long. One side's a little long. I might trim that back a little bit more. The other side's fine. I guess I'm choosing to go straight down the coil, or straight down the channels again, but not really, because I like to split up my cotton a little bit. Let's give her a little pulse, suck some of that juice in. She's sizzling. Not a lot of vapor coming off of that, but she's sizzling. That'll do, pig. That'll do. So, what I like to do on this, and it seems to work out fairly well 99% of the time, but I don't know about this coil. So, different coils act differently. Get it into those spaces. What I like to do is leave a little shelf space, if you will, shelf space on this for coils of unknown nature. Yeah, sorry. And yeah, it's way too much cotton on that side, right? Right? So notice it goes up and not down. Up and not down. Not quite up far enough. Sorry. Dude, it's taking you forever. That's because I'm overthinking my build. I'm just pointing this back upwards so when I put the top on, it stays upward. Not enough juice on the end of these. I don't like doing things the same old every time. There we go. It's in like Flynn. Kelpie. 20 whole watts. That's a 20-watt vape, huh? Did you change it all? 20 watts, 0.52. Well, 34 watts is 4.2 volts. That's the crackly sensation I was looking for. Wow, 34 watts. That is a warm ass vape. 0.52, still reading. Now I guess we're trying out the Juggernaut in this. Bubbles are a happening. Alright. Bubbles. Bubbles. Look at that. I like on these, I even do it in the FP every once in a while, depending on what I put in there. If I put a super hot build in, which I kind of figured this would be warm for the way I want to vape it, I'll put a little bit down the channels, right? And then I'll put the other half going up the barrel. Why? Well, when it wicks, it'll wick up to those upper ones along with the coil. So as you're vaping on it, it has this nice flow of, I'll drain out the stuff gravity style, right? Vaping it, and when you're not pulling no more, it sucks it back up into the cotton, because cotton's like a damn sponge, and shit flows everywhere when you got cotton. So it's going up and down. It's like a nice little orchestra, right? Do do do. That's exactly how I think about it, and it works. So that's all it's at. That is all it's at. It is a measly 34 watts, 0.52, 4.2 volts. That's it. Game over. This ugly ass mod is functional. Update on the Kelpie. I still don't have any issue with the which way is the horse? Where's the horse at? There's the horse. On this mod it's this way. On all my other mods it's sideways. But it's still nice. Does what it's supposed to do. Doesn't leak. Yeah, it's great. That's a warm ass vape. I can probably bop this down to 30 and be completely happy with it. It's just slightly warmer than I'd like. Just slightly. I like warm vapes. I'm saying that because of the juice. It's vanilla mint candy, okay? Vanilla mint. It's vanilla mint. That's like an ice creamish flavor, okay? So having it hot is like having some type of weird ass coffee creamer. Yeah, it's just odd for the flavor. Had this been custard, banana, whatever, then yeah, this nice hot vape would do the flavor quite nicely. Nice hot banana in your mouth, yeah. But being vanilla mint candy, it's kind of weird hot. It's like a stick of gum that you found in your car on a hot summer day, and you really wanted to stick of gum, and you stick it in your mouth, and it's hot mint. It's just weird. And it works. Little rebuild on the Kelpie with these Juggernauts. Yeah. Sorry I didn't really show the downhill view here, downhill version, but you've all seen how to build that. Plenty of videos out there. It is what it is. Right, Jared? That man, he got everybody in the vape community saying it is what it is. What's up with that? Y'all have fun now. 'Cause I know I will.